ba meral bonds MLA ka Nongpoh henne ka singi ka sitrik na yueng ula lejban play pajba ya ka rural Mart ne ka kenjayeng ka balong kum ka yau ka ba kinong rep kila ban lejbu ikitiar gitar na ka banta bandesh ki weipat ki brio ya ka te ka rural Mart la tay lengba ka jingirap da ka nabat bar ka ba play pajba ya ka la sakhi da ka jingdon lang YK Rao General Manager ka nabat ki brio na ka SSG lembat ki weipat laru ban kedaw hang ni baka jing temu ke bah khmat jong kete rural Mart kalong ban penya yau gitar ki bla penmi di kinong rap lengba ki self help group ki society lembat ki wei namar lengba kate jaka kin sala ban penya yau gitar ki basna de kakti ki jing bam tenrai ki kenja jing di lembat sipun ki wei pat.
And is that don't stop here. We have got a lot of other programs like MEDP, Micro Enterprise Development Program, Livelihood Enterprise Development Program like LEDP. We can sponsor these products, SHG women who are manufacturing them, to participate in other fairs and melas at Hyderabad, Bombay. Recently, we have sent one group from Jawai to Bhopal, and last year we sent two groups to Mumbai, and now we are planning to send them to Hyderabad and also to Chennai. So wherever good melas are happening within Meghalaya and outside Assam, these groups will be assisting them. Will give their entire fare, stay and accommodation at that place. And trainings also, I suggest Raymond, such a beautiful place you have. The entire stall should be filled with local products here, and a lot of products in Rivoy, especially the pineapple belt here, and a lot of pineapple candies and so many products are available.
Iyo akum kene kalat pala Plie ya kene ka rural Mart ni kene kene kejing sedang kabangi kemne mana kesini ni ya ke SAG kene porlok long kemi. Kalau nggak internet ban gitu ki jingbang gitu bila song bila ayah usyang. Kalau nggak internet ban bila label bah ngampoi perkat bah kila le ham Shnong ya gitu ke address yang gitu. Lala ban le bah hadu kan ni. Nagi ni kisok, la ban de kat, la ban de kisok nyamtra, la ban de kisok trun, la ban de kisok kudat ki badan ham tu. Bagi la ban salan ni kisi gue de ki cakap. Dia namar kata kum kini gilat kilenti bagi yo. Anong sisa ka jing mentoy ban ka soban kentu ya ki SAG ki jungi na ka banta ka sustainability mo ki jing yaine kung ngolong ni pibene ka sibun ki SAG ki bala seng ki jano cooperative society ki bala seng ki jano yan mar ka tangi kwa bagi SAG cooperative society baro ba pin yaine pin trishtom ka kam ki jing alap ka sarkar ka dan sibun ki jing arap tam ka song ka jing trishtom ka jungi ka ta ki kwa na kaliang ka jungi